You look so pretty. I love your hair.
I love you. I love you.
Let's take on NYFW.
Yes. I need a nap though.
So we're gonna walk you guys through how we get our hair looks for New York Fashion Week using all Beautopia products. I actually have my hair left over from last night because I kind of wanted like the more undone look. I curled it using the Vibrastraight straightener. I actually like using a straightener to get more of like curly looks because I feel like it looks more natural and kind of looser. And that's the way that I like it. And I'm also wearing extensions because I like the volume and the length, so.
And I'm the same. I'm lazy and don't feel like doing my hair a second day in a row. So I'm going to throw in these extensions for some volume.
Woo! Rat
tail.
So are you ready to get started? We're gonna walk you through how we get Eva's braided boho look and how we get my messy half up, half down updo. So normally when I do this by myself, whenever I'm wearing hair extensions, I'll just tie it up with like a big hair clip, and then the first layer is always the lowest on your head. She's the extension queen. Clipping them in right at the root. Perfect. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do a braided look because Eva likes to go as boho as possible.
Gonna do it.
Do super intense braids going back into a really cute ponytail.
I feel like braids are so much easier on other people.
I know. Alright, so we have the first braid.
Okay.
We're gonna pin that back with a bobby pin that matches her hair color. Okay, so we're using the movable hold finishing hairspray.
It smells like grape.
Yeah, it smells so good. It smells so good. This stuff literally like holds it like basically like a glue gun. You don't even need that much. See, like that'll be good. I'm gonna zhuzh it for you. And I like this like kind of messy volume at the top with like the hair kind of coming out. Just because it's totally like the Mary-Kate and Ashley like boho thing.
Right.
Which you nail.
Okay, so to make it more boho, I pull out the front. And then we need to make this more beachy. So I think we'll do this. This also smells really good.
Yeah, that does. And then this is the Back to the Beach texturizing mist. Perfect. And this is just super lightweight and kind of makes the hair stick to those like beachy, messy waves.
And then I think we should hide the rubber band with a piece of extension.
Yeah, totally agree.
I'm gonna wrap it.
I just feel like putting this over the hair tie like makes the biggest difference in the world. Like especially when I'm like going out, it just looks like you put in way more effort than you did.
Right? Like 2 seconds. Okay, so this is my finished look. It's got like a little beachy boho braid, and then we tucked in the rubber band with a piece of hair to keep it more boho and less like ugly looking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And now let's do the So what are we doing?
Okay, so I really want to do half up and half down because you know me, that's like
That's
my
your
signature thing.
So we need to tease you, right?
Yes, can you tease half?
How much do you want? Like small half?
So I'm also wearing extensions, so it kind of might look like weird if we pull the extensions
Wear your
up
tracks
and be
out?
like really uncomfy. Yeah, so if we could just take like this area maybe.
This is the movable hold finishing hairspray.
Ooh, I love this. Eva!
I'm kind of good.
What a queen! Yeah, I like the like loosey-goosey sort of vibe too. I've got a little boho in me, right?
I think you do.
Maybe.
It's in you.
It's in me somewhere. Okay, so we can use some of my hair, some of the extension to wrap around.
I'm gonna use your ponytail piece.
Ooh, love that. I actually love the fact that this hairspray doesn't make your hair like super crunchy. Like I still feel like it's really soft, but it just holds it so perfectly.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, I love it.
It's
I'm
cute.
obsessed.
Your highlights look good.
Is that it?
So I'm just gonna continue using the finishing hairspray on her ends. I'm gonna scrunch them a little. Yay, beachy.
Perfect. And then do we want to put like maybe a little bit of a beach spray?
Yeah.
I don't know, just because like we're gonna be walking around all day, so I feel like
Exactly.
the more the merrier, right? So maybe just a little beach to texturize those like messy waves.
So pretty.
Yay! So this is my finished look. I went for a more like loose beachy waves sort of leftover hair vibe, half up and half down because that's the way I feel most comfortable. So yeah, this is the back. And I am loving the whole hiding the hair tie thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's my finished look, and I'm ready to take on New York Fashion Week with my best friend.
I just knocked you out.
I love you. It's okay.